Hi everybody, John Mather from Carasius Productions and welcome to another quick video tutorial on my latest block. Before I get this started, I just want to give out a big shout out to Chris Howard of Pizzazz WP for his wonderful assistance in helping me with the PHP code and getting this block to where I envisioned it to be 100%. All right, with that being said, let's get on to this wonderful new addition. So you can see here I've set up a basic Headway theme site with a generic post, and some lorem ipsum text and a basic featured image. Nothing too exciting about this post. If we go in and have a look at the post in the back end, you can see there none of that makes any sense. It is just a normal post with a featured image. So let's go into Headway. You can see this is the layout here. So what I want to do is I want to draw a block in here, and I want to call this my social share block just here. So when we first greeted in this block, you can see we've got our social network. By default, we have 2, 4, 6, 7 loaded. And we've got a couple of different positions, display in block or float on left. Let's just leave it as default. We'll just choose Facebook. I'm going to click this plus sign and add another one in there. So we'll add Twitter, and let's maybe add in Google+. We'll hit save. We're not going to add any images in this at this stage. Let's just hit refresh and let's see how that loads. So you can see there we've got share on Facebook, tweet, and share on Google. We actually have the default images already loaded for you, but you have the option to be able to change them and choose whatever images you would like. Now, as I said, we've got them display in the block position there. But if we go in and display on float left, let's hit save and let's hit refresh. You can see they now stick to the left hand side of the page. So you can have them as a sticky block. The next thing we're going to look at, let's go back in here, is we've got this advanced tab here. What the advanced tab is, it allows you to create a custom button of your choice. So in the URL, if you hover, it says this is not the URL for the post. This is the URL for the sharing platform. For example, Twitter URL is http twitter.com/share URL equals. So let's just say stumble upon see URL. We can see there that the default post is that one there. So you can see, so when I create this post, that is the actual URL that I want to put in there. So if I want to add in a custom URL, I would hit save on that one. Then I can hit refresh over here, and you will see it has now got the default share this post. But if I wanted to, I could choose the image, choose my stumble upon button that I've created and uploaded already, hit save, and now if I hit refresh, it will be my default my custom button. So you can make a myriad of buttons if you want, as many as you wanted. So if I opened up Photoshop, for example, and created, let's go file new, let's make it 32 by 32 pixels. Let's give that a fill color of green. And let's add a layer, and we'll text layer. We'll make it white. We'll go Control Z. Let's go into Font Awesome cheat sheet. Font Awesome cheat sheet. There it is, cheat sheet. And we will go in, and it's the one. We go Control F, and we'll go stumble upon. Let's use this one here. Control C. Let's add that in, Control V, and you can see now that it is identified as a font. Let's go File, Save As. We'll save this to the desktop, stumble.png, and save that as a PNG format. If I can find it, hit save, and then go back to our here we'll go choose image, Go upload, select files. It was on the desktop. Let's go stumble. Hit open. That's uploaded. Let's go use image. Hit save. Hit refresh. And you can see we can even add in basic square buttons. And then we can jump back into here. We'll go over to our visual editor. We can change these as well. So we can change our margins, and we can edit our hover. So we could say on hover, let's add a margin left of 10 pixels. So then when we hover, they're going to jump out from the side of the page. So there you go. That is our new block. And if we hit refresh here, it won't share that save, but you can see when I click on it, it's all the links are working. We can share as we want it to. So that is the new block. Just to recap, once again, thank you. Big shout out to Pizzazz WP, my friend Chris Howard. Thanks very much, and I hope you all enjoy this block. Thanks for watching.